Today's gonna be very chill. 5-minute journal app. I want to finish Hopeless by Colleen Hoover. Hello guys and good morning. It's Thursday the 18th of January and it's currently 7:30. I'm doing a little morning routine today, and disclaimer, no, I do not do this every day. This is just for the aesthetic, I'm not even gonna lie. But in an ideal world, this is what I would want my mornings to look like, but they just don't. So I don't really have a lot to do today. I probably have like some work to do. Today's gonna be very chill. Also, excuse whatever's going on in the background and excuse whatever's going on with my face right now. So yeah, today I'm actually contemplating whether I should go out because I've really been craving pizza. I've really been craving the pizzas from Tesco's, and they're only less than £1, around 97 I think. But I'm just contemplating going out because it's -5 degrees right now and your girl doesn't do well in the cold, so I'm ow. Before I'm going to jump in the shower real quick, I'm just going to show you what I use for my hair because I recently just bleached it. This is going to surprise some people, but I've literally been using Johnson's shampoo for I'd say the first 14 or 15 years of my life, and then after that, from 15 until I was 20, which is now, I used a mixture of different things and that really damaged my hair. So I went back to basics. I'm using Johnson's baby shampoo and I got this in Philippines. I got the pink one. My favorite one is actually the purple one because it smells the best, but I like this one over the normal yellow one, which is right there. And then my conditioner, L'Oreal Everpure sulfate free, whatever this is, but it's so good. Like, it makes my hair feel so soft afterwards. I think this one was specifically designed for people that bleach their hair because it's sulfate free, but it just smells really good and it feels really good and no complaints. It's time to wash my hair, so let's hop in the shower. Holy shit, is it cold. I have a heated towel rack in my bathroom, which is right behind you, what I use to keep my towel on, but for some reason our developers just decided to cut all power supply to it, so now we don't have heating in our bathroom, and the heating in my room is censored, so if I don't move for a certain amount of time it just turns it off. For the amount I'm paying for this place, that just isn't right. Now I'm just gonna brush my teeth. It's like a deodorant. And then I'm using the Sukin Signature Facial Moisturizer. I don't know if this happens to anyone else, but if I'm in the shower for too long I get super dizzy. But I'm not, don't know if that's due to my anemia. My head just gets really dizzy and I don't know if I should be concerned or not. I am currently getting some vitamin D because I probably really need it. It's so bright, but I need the sun. Thankfully, since I arrived back to England, it's actually been quite sunny. For the past week and a half that I've been here, it's only rained once, which is actually pretty good for England winter. I'm going to do my makeup real quick and just let my hair air dry a little. Sunscreen first, always. My battery's dying. I'm going to try to do this as quickly as possible before my camera dies. Blush. And then curl my eyelashes and mascara, and we're done. So noodles isn't actually my usual breakfast. Usually I have porridge. I was a little bit more hungry than porridge today, and I wanted something that's could fill me up because I'm making burgers for lunch. So I made some noodles. This is Pancit Canton. We love her. I don't usually do this. Usually I watch YouTube while I eat, but since we're trying to be productive today, we are going to look at my lecture today, which is Fundamentals of Entrepreneurship, which actually sounds very interesting. I feel like digital marketing and entrepreneurship are just going to be my favorite modules. My not so favorite module is managerial economics. So I think I'm going to watch a YouTube video in the background, so cue time lapse. Done, and I want some more now. So with my slides I just went through, I literally just skim read all of it, and I'm gonna do notes I think after lunch because I don't really have much to do today. I actually forgot to do my journal this morning, so I'm probably gonna do that now. I use the 5-minute journal app on my phone. It's just easier for me, and I don't have the book. And then we'll just start today's journal. Guys, I'm not gonna lie, I'm so tired right now. I woke up at 4 because I'm still jet lagged. I went to sleep at 7 last night. I was really proud of myself because I didn't nap in the evening, but then I just still woke up really early. Currently my head is feeling it. I think the last little bit that I'm going to do for my morning routine is to read a little bit. I've been slacking on my reading. I was trying to read this, and I'm gonna read one law every day, but I don't want that to just be my reading. I want to finish Hopeless by Colleen Hoover, ideally sometime soon. This is how much I got into it. I started this after I finished It Starts With Us, so let me try and read this after. I think I want to read like a chapter or so of this, just so I don't read too much. The chapter I'm reading now is only about 14 pages, so that probably won't take me that long. So that pretty much sums it up for my morning routine today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Make sure to like and subscribe and click the little notification if you want to be notified whenever I upload. My new schedules are Sunday at 1 p.m. so keep an eye out on Sundays. Follow all my social media handles, which will also be linked down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!